Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana slow performance on PC browser. Many users experience lag, slow loading, or delayed task updates, and it usually happens due to browser issues, cache problems, or system limits. First, refresh the Asana tab. A simple reload often fixes temporary lag. Press Ctrl plus R and wait for the page to fully load. Step 1, clear browser cache and cookies. Overloaded cache can slow Asana. Clear cached files for the Asana site and restart the browser. Step 2, check your internet connection. Asana works best on a stable connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can cause delays. Step 3, disable unnecessary browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy extensions may slow down Asana scripts. Turn them off temporarily and test performance. Step 4, close unused tabs and apps. Too many open tabs consume RAM. Freeing system resources improves Asana speed. Step 5, use a supported browser. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox work best with Asana. Outdated browsers may cause lag. Step 6, log out and log back in. This refreshes session data. It often fixes syncing and speed issues. Step 7, update your browser. Older versions may struggle with modern web apps. Always keep your browser up to date. Finally, contact Asana support if performance is still slow. Provide your browser version, system info, and steps tried. Support can check account level issues. So yeah, fixing Asana slow performance on PC browser is about refreshing tabs, clearing cache, checking internet, disabling extensions, freeing system resources using supported browsers, updating software, and contacting support. Follow these steps and Asana should run smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.